That Thanksgiving of 2022 was one I'll never forget. It felt different, more meaningful, and deeply personal. It wasn't just another holiday for me, it was a milestone. Barely 5 weeks post heart surgery, I was still adjusting to my new reality with heart failure, feeling grateful to even be here to celebrate. Our extended family in Chicago made it extra special by planning to come over, bringing an abundance of food to share. But I knew I couldn't just sit back entirely. I had to make something. Cooking has always been a way for me to express care and gratitude, and this year I had so much to be thankful for. The advanced treatments that saved my life, the love and support my family, and the chance to keep moving forward. So I decided to bake a turkey. Sure, I couldn't do the heavy lifting, but my spouse stepped in to handle that part. The rest, that was on me. I kept it simple but full of flavor, starting with a marinade. I roasted onions, garlic, tomatoes, and red bell peppers for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then blended them into a smooth mix with paprika, celery seeds, sodium-free salt alternative, sodium-free chicken bouillon, black pepper, and chili powder. And I put a bit of stevia sugar for sweetness. I used some of the marinade for chicken wings as an appetizer because who doesn't love wings? And the rest went all over the turkey. For the stuffing, I kept it straightforward: cubed onions, sweet potatoes, and celery stalks with a few sprigs of fresh rosemary for a touch of greenery and that earthy, fragrant flavor. The cranberry sauce was just as simple: a mix of fresh cranberries, orange juice, cinnamon, and a hint of allspice, cooked down to that perfect balance of tart and sweetness. I even whipped up a quick gravy using the boiled turkey neck, liver, sodium-free beef bouillon, and cornstarch. Once the turkey was stuffed and slathered in marinade, I covered it with foil and baked it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. It took about 4 hours to hit the magic internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, but in the last hour, I took off the foil to let the skin crisp up beautifully. The chicken wings came out so fragrant and gorgeous with that golden caramelized skin. Now the turkey is coming in next. Watching the golden brown turkey emerge from the oven felt like a small victory. It wasn't just food, it was a symbol of perseverance and hope. That day, surrounded by loved ones and the warmth of good food, I felt profoundly grateful. Grateful for the people who showed up for me during one of the hardest chapters of my life. Grateful for the chance to see another Thanksgiving. Grateful for the future ahead, living and managing heart failure with as much grace and strength as I could muster. It wasn't just a meal, it was a celebration of resilience, love, and life itself. And yes, the turkey turned out pretty delicious, if I do say so myself.